Hey VisionTech fans! Welcome back to the channel, your home for all the latest tech updates. Big buzz coming in from the smartphone world. Huawei has officially made a huge comeback, and it's turning heads across China. If anyone thought Huawei was out of the game, they were clearly mistaken. The brand is back in full force and has just reclaimed its spot at the top of the Chinese smartphone market in early 2025. According to a recent report from Counterpoint Research, Huawei is now the #1 smartphone brand in China for the first quarter of 2025. That's right, they've grabbed the top spot with a market share of 19%, up from 17% at the end of last year. Now, 2% might not seem like a lot on paper, but in a market as massive and competitive as China, that's actually a big leap in just one quarter. So, what's the secret behind this big comeback? Well, it's a smart mix of timing, strategy, and some solid support from the government. Two major factors pushed Huawei back into the spotlight: digital product subsidies and an innovative product lineup. Let's talk about those subsidies first. The Chinese government recently launched a program to encourage tech adoption and boost spending on electronics. Under this plan, consumers can get discounts of up to 15% on items like smartphones, tablets, and wearables. So if a smartphone costs around 6,000 yuan, the buyer could save up to 500 yuan, making premium devices way more affordable. Huawei made the most of this opportunity. Their entire range, from the high-end Pura 70 series to the budget-friendly Enjoy series, qualified for the discounts. And this move really paid off, especially during busy shopping periods like the Chinese New Year. Add to that Huawei's growing focus on innovation, especially in AI, and you've got a winning formula. The Pura 70 series stood out big time. With its sleek design, powerful camera setup, and smart AI features, it appealed to both premium buyers and tech lovers. This combination of style, performance, and affordability helped Huawei attract a broad audience, from casual users to hardcore fans. Interestingly, Huawei wasn't the only one seeing a boost. Xiaomi also had a strong quarter, with year-over-year growth ranging between 18% and 40%. Like Huawei, Xiaomi's success was driven by a wide product range, competitive pricing, and the same government-backed discounts. But while local brands surged, Apple faced a tough quarter. After doing well in Q4 2024, Apple's market share in China dropped sharply from 21% to just 15% in Q1 2025. That's a big hit, especially since China is Apple's second-largest market globally. The drop is mainly due to rising competition from brands like Huawei and Xiaomi, which are offering top-tier specs and features, often at more affordable prices. While iPhones still hold a strong image, many buyers are now questioning whether the high price tag is really worth it. Overall, China's smartphone market grew by around 5% year-over-year in Q1 2025. That might not sound huge, but considering the global economic challenges and ongoing tech tensions between the US and China, it's a positive sign. The subsidy program clearly helped drive consumer interest, especially during major shopping seasons like Spring Festival. And this momentum might not slow down anytime soon. With more device launches expected in the next few months, the second quarter of 2025 could be just as exciting. Even if growth slows a little, the competition is heating up, and Huawei is right in the middle of it. This whole comeback story is proof that with smart innovation, the right pricing, and government backing, even a company under heavy restrictions can bounce back strong. The big question now is, can Huawei keep it going? Will the Chinese government keep offering these subsidies? Can Huawei stay ahead in AI and chip development? And how will brands like Apple respond to this growing pressure from homegrown rivals? One thing's clear, the smartphone war in China is more intense than ever, and Huawei is leading the charge. If you enjoyed this update, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights from VisionTech. Also, click the bell icon so you never miss a drop of the latest news. Let us know what you think in the comments. Can Huawei hold on to this lead, or will the competition catch up next quarter? Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.